If you ever need to jump to a specific time in a video using VLC Media Player, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. This is really useful when you want to skip to an important moment, revisit a scene, check a timestamp, or move straight to the part of the video you actually need. It saves time and makes navigating long videos much easier. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the video you want to watch in VLC Media Player. You can do this by launching VLC and opening your file, or by dragging the video directly into the player. Once your video is loaded and ready, look at the top menu bar. You'll want to click on Playback. This menu contains a lot of useful controls for moving through your video, including playback options and navigation tools. After clicking Playback, look through the drop-down menu and choose Jump to a specific time. This option is designed to let you move directly to any point in the video without manually scrubbing through the timeline. It's especially helpful for long videos, lectures, tutorials, or recordings where you already know the exact moment you want to reach. Now, a small window or box will appear with a field labeled Go to Time. This is where you enter the timestamp you want to jump to. Make sure you type the time in the correct format, using hours, minutes, and seconds. For example, if you want to go to 1 hour, 10 minutes, and 25 seconds, you would enter the time in that exact structure so VLC can understand it properly. Once you've entered the correct time, double-check it before continuing. This is important because even a small mistake in the format can send you to the wrong part of the video. After confirming the time is correct, simply click Go. VLC will instantly jump to that exact point in the video and start playing from there. And that's all there is to it. In just a few steps, you can jump to a specific time in VLC Media Player and get straight to the moment you need. It's a simple feature, but it can save you a lot of time when working with longer videos. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.